There, so I want to show you how to install Eclipse Perl Epic. So basically this is Epic. It is a plugin for the Eclipse IDE and it's not hard to install. The first thing you do is you go to the site here and get to this page. So use this URL here, and once you have the URL, you want to copy where this thing lives. So go ahead and copy this line here. Now go to Eclipse, and once you're on Eclipse, you simply, here's a Python program I'm working on. You simply want to go to help, and I'm sorry this isn't on the screen. Help, install new software. Then you're going to get a little dialog like this. You want to first add the Epic site, so do an add, and then you can name it Epic software, Perl, call it Perl Epic um, software plugin. Okay, and then put in the URL here. And that's the thing that we cut and pasted, do an add. And it'll try and find the site. And then once it finds it, you can click on it here and do a next. So now Eclipse is going out and reaching for it. It'll say, okay, I found Epic. So click on that and do a next. Take the agreement, finish. Still has my Python program there. Okay, here we go. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we'll install it. And it keeps going off screen here. Let's restart it. Restart Eclipse. It's taken a while. If things went right, we can make a new project now with Perl. So let's see if that worked right. Okay, starting Eclipse back up here on the slow iMac. Okay, Eclipse is started up again. Let's do a file, and I'm sorry this is off screen. File, new, project, PyDev. I don't see it there yet. I'm going to say dot dot project. Okay, there's dot dot project, PHP, general, JavaScript, Perl. There we go. That's how you do it. My Perl project. My Perl camel project. There we go. Let's say finish. There's the Perl project. And guess I can make a new file here. There you go.